Hello? Hello again. Wala na akong maisip na sabihin eh. Kundi yung mga request nyo na lang. And then, yung mga nag-request, pangalan. Sino ba? Si Eduardo. Ayan.
Oy, si Eduardo mukhang big time. Yung pangalan pa lang.
Oh, Eduardo Musa.
Yung host namin sa Manila, yung kinakantahan ko, Eduardo.
Pag pala mga Eduardo, big time.
Meron siyang may-ari siya ng bar, meron may-ari siya ng gym man. Tapos
galing,
meron siyang grocery store.
Big time naman ito eh.
Oo nga. Oh, alam ko, di ba? Kaya nga Eduardo, pag tinawag na Eduardo, maraming pera.
Eduardo!
Di, pag Eduardo talagang, alam mo,
Bigatin.
Tsaka yung boss namin, talagang nagbibigay talaga yun, yung Eduardo.
Ganun ba yun?
Si Eduardo.
Bahala na siya. Bahala ka na po, boss, ha?
Ayan, ano ba yung request niya? Ano bang request niya? Ano?
Never, 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 never.
By Shirley Bass.
By Maylin. Oh, no! Ano lang ito?
Joke lang yun, sir.
Practice ko lang to, bossing. Kasi hindi ko masyado tong kinakanta talaga. Yan kay Eduardo Musa. Yan, request niyo po. Sir.
Para sa awiting, never, never, never. Alright.
Kala ko, never, never. Kala ko yun eh. Yung pala ito. I'd like to run away from you, but if you never found me, I would die. I'd like to break the chains you put around me, but I know I never will. Stay away and all I do is what I want to hear. I'll wait for you. But when did common sense prevail for lovers when we know it never will? Impossible to live with you, but I know I can never live without you. For whatever you do, I never, 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 never want to be in love with anyone but you. You never treat me like you should, so why you couldn't love me as I do? Although you always love, nothing else would be good enough. Impossible to live with you, but I know I can never live without you. For whatever you do, I never, never, never want to be in love with anyone but you. You make me laugh, you make me cry, you make me live, you make me die for you. You make me sing, you make me sad, you make me glad, you make me beg for you. I love you, hate you, but I wanna tell the world stop turning. For whatever you do, I never, never, never want to be in love with anyone but you. I love you, hate you, but I wanna tell the world stop turning. For whatever you do, I never, never, never want to be in love with anyone but you. I love you, hate you, but I wanna tell the world stop turning. For whatever you do, I never, never, never want to be in love with anyone but you. Never, 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 never. Ayan kay Eduardo Musa. Thank you po. Ikaw nang bahala.
Ayan. Big time yan. Ano ba?
Big time. Big time ka daw po.
Eduardo, boss ko. Yung boss namin, boss ko talaga.
Boss niya, big time eh. Kaya, kasi pangalan, Eduardo, di ba?
Yes. May-ari siya ng bar.
Okay.
Diba?
Ikaw, alam ko, may-ari ka rin ng
Bar.
bar. Okay po, bye.
Bye-bye.